Think creatively to shape your life. Today, I want to talk to you about the importance of thinking creatively in shaping your life and bringing out your full potential. We all encounter various obstacles and challenges in life, but with creative thinking, we can overcome them and achieve success. So how do we develop creative thinking? Here are some tips. 1. Unleash your imagination. Firstly, take control of your imagination. Regardless of any constraints or boundaries you see, dare to dream and think big. Have you ever imagined a life that you thought was impossible? I want to tell you that it is possible because our imagination is a tool to create our reality. 2. Take risks. Creative thinking allows us to embrace new experiences and take risks. Be courageous and step out of your comfort zone. The greatest accomplishments in life belong to those who took the greatest risks. Make your goals big and your fears small, and use your courage to move forward. 3. Learn from your mistakes. In creative thinking, making mistakes doesn't set you back. It helps you learn. See your mistakes as opportunities for learning and growth. If an idea fails, don't give up. Try again and again and again. The more you try, the closer you get to success. 4. Engage with creative individuals. Surround yourself with people who think creatively to motivate yourself. Sharing and collaborating nurtures the emergence of new ideas and inspires you. Find yourself in a creative community and grow together. Dear viewers, take a step towards thinking creatively to shape your life and bring out your inner potential. Discover the power within you and push your limits. Remember, there's more to life than what meets the eye, and with creative thinking, you can surpass those limits. I wish you an inspiring journey. Remember, I am here to support you in turning your dreams into reality. I believe that each of you possesses the power to shape your life and change the world. With creative thinking, you can unleash your potential and create a real success story. Thank you. And now it's time to take action.